Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Look at this, what we have got today. Potatoes, stuffed potatoes, but before stuffing them, we're gonna proceed to bake them, yeah? As you may see, I'm wrapping them in the alu foil. I add a slightly bit of olive oil as well as a touch of salt, yeah? A little bit of ocean, just like that, as easy as it is. Of course, this procedure I'm gonna do it in the oven, but you can perfectly do it in the grill. We'll also add this wonderful touch and taste from the grill. Yeah, this aroma from the grill will work wonderful. So I got my six potatoes. I place them on a baking tray, as you may see, and I'm gonna add them into the oven. Yeah, just I had here the oven, 45 degrees circulation, air circulation of the on the grill, and 180, I guess, I remember. I'm gonna bake it for 45 minutes, and it took more than 45 minutes. Actually, it took 1 hour, but after 45 minutes you can check them. And now I'm gonna stuff them. As you may see, I got some grated cheese and of course a little bit of corn. Just as easy as it is. Look how I'm gonna stuff them. It's a very easy side. You can use also, this is perfectly dinner. You can top it with anything you like. You can add some meat, you can add more veggies, a little bit of butter, more cheese. It's just an idea for you as a side, yeah, or as a main course as well, why not? So I'm gonna cut it just like that, and with a fork I'm just gonna remove a little bit the peel from top, and I'm gonna make a kind of puree of mashed potatoes inside our potatoes. So just we're trying to keep the form, and just like that I'm gonna add a little bit of white Venezuelan cheese and a little bit of corn, just like that. And now I'm gonna proceed to mix all together. The cheese will melt because of course the potato is very hot. It will melt, and together with the corn will be a very nice idea. I hope you like it, and of course you can reproduce this idea with any topping you like. Yeah, I'm gonna finish it up with a little bit of green. I'm gonna add a little bit of basil, cheese, and of course more corn on top. Look, it keeps the form. I'm gonna keep them in the alu foil, and I will continue to do the other 5 potatoes. So look, I finished. Look, just like that. You see, they keep the form. Very, very easy to do, very nice to surprise your guests. So I hope you like it, and if you do, please subscribe to the channel, leave your like behind the video. If you have any comment, of course they are all welcome and will be also of course answered. I wish you together a nice journey and a have a nice day. Take care everyone.